Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that gold is trading at a level of around 1957.47, and if you look at this particular chart, what we can see that it is trading at a level of around, from 2 weeks it is continuously on the upside because we have seen an Israel war is there. Because of that there is a continuous upside, otherwise it was trying to go further down. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, previous chart, that is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, 2012 to 2020, and that is a 8-year pattern, and this is the 2-year pattern, and this is a 8-month. Now if you look at this particular pattern, there is a pattern forming on a weekly basis, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining above 1962, chances are very high further upside we can see in the price of gold. Okay, so this is on upper side, but if it moves below a level of around 1900, then chances of going further fall we can see in the price of gold. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1964. Okay, and this level is already being tested here, so chances are high it can go further upside, and chances of touching a level of 1970 we can see. This level is being tested, so chances of touching 1970 will be there, and if the price move above that level, then we can see a level of $1973. Okay, and if the price started moving above that level, chances of going towards a level of around 1980 we can see, and then from there we can see a level of $1987. After crossing a level of 1980, we can see a level of 1987, and if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $1997. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances of going further high we can see, and then it will cross a level of around 2000 and can touch a level of around $2023, and from there a further high we can see. Now look at this particular pattern. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, what you can say that there is a continuous upside we have seen, a U pattern is forming, and chances of going further high we can see. But if the price started falling below a level of around 1900, then there is a higher probability of going further, because there will be a pattern forming if the price fall below 1900. Okay, now if you look at this, because you have to understand market is uncertain. Okay, because market is uncertain, as you have seen this Palestine and Hamas attack will happen with that is where the price was going upside. You don't know about that. Okay, it happened instantly. That is where the price started going upside. Otherwise it was continuously moving down, and the CPI data has come. That is where we have seen $20 to $30 movement, upside and downside. With these two things you can see up and down both happened. So your stop loss might have hit at this particular level, and you might have lose or earn a good profit. Okay, so now if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1951, and if that level move further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1934. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that if the price fall below a level of 1954, probability of going towards a level of 1949 will be there, and to a level of 1947. Once the price started falling below that level, chances of going towards 1938 we can see, and then to a level of 1933. If the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 1930, and then to a level of 1926. Okay, and if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $1922 to a level of $1907. After 1922 we can see a level of 1907, and from there a further downfall we can see below a level of 1900, and then it can touch a level of around $1893. Okay, and chances are very high it will go further low, and there is a higher chances that as soon as started moving below 1893, probability of going towards 18888 will be there, and from there we can see level of 1877. Okay, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.